Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to import CSV spreadsheets to create Asana projects. This is incredibly useful when you're migrating data from other tools or need to bulk upload tasks without manually creating each one. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, navigate to your desired Asana project where you want the tasks to land. Once you're there, look at the top of the page and click the drop-down arrow that appears right beside your project name. This will reveal several project management options that give you more control over how you organize your work. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Import. This opens up Asana's import functionality, which supports multiple file types for bringing in external data. When you see the available options, click on CSV. This will redirect you to a new page specifically designed for CSV imports, making the process smooth and straightforward. Now you'll see an upload area where you can either drag and drop your CSV file directly onto the page or click the area labeled Select a CSV file to import. Choose whichever method feels more comfortable for you. Once you click or drop, your file browser will open, allowing you to locate and choose the CSV file you want to import from your computer. After selecting your file, Asana will automatically generate a task data preview. This preview is crucial because it shows you exactly how your data will appear once imported. Take a moment to review this preview carefully to ensure everything looks correct before proceeding. Next comes the mapping stage. Here you'll need to map the CSV columns to Asana fields such as task name, assignee, due date, or any other custom fields you're using. This step ensures that your data ends up in the right place within Asana's structure. Match each column from your spreadsheet to the corresponding Asana field for accurate data transfer. Once you're satisfied with how everything is mapped, click Go to Project to start importing the tasks into the project. Asana will now begin processing your file, so give it a moment to work through all the data. Depending on the size of your CSV, this might take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes. Finally, once the import is complete, review the imported tasks in your project. Double-check that all the information transferred correctly and make any necessary adjustments to task details, assignments, or due dates that might need fine-tuning. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.